Okay, everybody, here's my latest kit build. It's a AMATI kit. It's a RIVA AQUARAMA. It's a very popular kit. This is a really nice kit. The beautiful custom fittings. I mean, they're all laser cut stainless steel. I mean, look at these things. It's amazing. The other stuff are cast, like the scoops, stuff like that. There's the dash. Just beautiful, beautiful kit. The laser cut windshield. Look at the wipers. They're like 4 pieces. They're all stainless steel, and you have to bend them and everything else and shape them. Here's the front, the cut water. And I put running lights in here. I put red and green. And look at the bow. And the cut water. Now the thing is about these stainless steel like this here, it comes on the sheet alright, cut out, but they're dull. So you have to polish them, which I polished them. Same thing with these here. They're just cast, but I polished them up. Took a couple hours to polish all the stainless and flat stuff. I mean, you can see on here. See this stuff here, this is the flat stainless steel. Polished all that. These are cast, of course. This is a chrome molding I found online. Mac Boats sells this. This stuff is great. Looks like real. It's a hair big out of scale, but not bad. Here's the stern, customer's initials, and here's all my props and rudders on this one. She's a running boat. And these are the switches here. This one's for the lights. This is for the motors. On the real boat, there's 2 gas caps here, and I substituted those for the gas caps. Now here, I have a little tab, so you can get the thing out. To grab it, you pull up this rubber piece, and here's the piece underneath, and there you have access to the interior. If this was RC'd, you'd have 2 big RC motors up in here underneath where the batteries go. But I set this up, this is the way the customer wanted it. So this way, it's just for a display. He's never going to put this in the water. So that's the way I did it. That goes back in like that. This goes back in like that. And there you go. She's good to go. It's a beautiful boat, it really is. I mean, these AMATI kits, I mean, they're expensive, about $450 a kit, and then you got to build them. And you got, I don't know how many hours I have in this boat. Even what I'm asking for it doesn't cover the amount of time involved. The planking alone is tough. To get this right, you have to know what you're doing to plank it. But anyway, there she is. I'm going to post this online along with the restoration videos. Are already there, and you can see what's involved in making one of these kits. I have another one yet I haven't finished. Believe it or not, I was building 2 of these at the same time. This is a custom stand. This is an AMATI, a stand made by AMATI, and of course I put the customer's name on it and everything, because that's what he wanted. But here she is. There she is, all done. Beautiful, beautiful boat. Beautiful boat. Anyway, thanks again for all your kind comments on my boats. You can see all my other stuff at rccraft.com or here on YouTube. If you got a boat you want restored, send me some pictures to my email, rbojck@gmail.com, and I'll check it out and get back with you. Thanks again.